How to roll a Static V Luxe sleeping pad. First, open the valves so the air can escape. Sliding your arm from the bottom to the top, push out the air. Fold the Luxe pad in half, and if needed, do a loose roll to push out any excess air. Once you have the air out of the pad, line up each edge. Then, fold the pad in thirds. This is going to be your final roll, so push out any excess air and make sure the pad is tight. Now with the remaining 8 to 10 inches, fold that back into the bottom that you've rolled. Now you have a nice, tightly rolled Static V Luxe sleeping pad. Put it into the stuff sack supplied, and you're ready to go on your next adventure.